Uncover the sensual and evocative world of Anais Nin with Erotica. Delta of Venus and Little Birds. This stunning two-volume set presents Nin's groundbreaking work in a collectible edition. Experience the raw emotion and exquisite prose that defined a generation. Delve into the captivating stories, explore the complexities of desire, and rediscover a literary icon. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of literary history. Visit our product page now and add Erotica, Delta of Venus and Little Birds to your collection.